I'm a big Strokes fan. Combine that with the fact that I own some old analog sound equipment like turntables, I had to get my hands on some of their vinyl records. I went ahead and bought the Singles Volume 1. It's been 2 years and there's no Volume 2? Oh, okay, I guess. So anyways, here's that unboxing. Here is the box set. So, as you can see, it is Volume 1 like I said earlier. So let's open it. Now there are 10 discs inside. These are all singles and demos. So we'll take a look at the first one. We'll go through them in order. First one is The Modern Age, with The Modern Age and Last Night. And these are rough trade versions of the original album recordings. Next up is Hard to Explain, as you can see, glass chair. And this has Hard to Explain as the A-side and New York City Cops as the B-side, which is on the international release of Is This It? Next up is Last Night, arguably their most famous song, at least from Is This It? This has When It Started as the B-side, which is the replacement for New York City Cops on the American release. Then we have Someday, which again is one of their most famous tracks on Is This It? And this has 2 songs on side B, 2 home recordings, which is Alone Together and Is This It? So Is This It is a bit of a shorter recording. So that's why. Then we're moving on from Is This It to Room on Fire. The first single from there is 1251, with the home recording of The Way It Is as the B-side. Then we have their most famous song from Room on Fire, Reptilia, with Modern Girls and Old-Fashioned Men as the B-side, written with Regina Spektor. Next up is The End Has No End. Clampdown is their cover, which they played live, and that is the B-side of The End Has No End. Moving on from Room on Fire, we're now going to First Impressions of Earth, and the first single from there is Juicebox, with Hawaii as the B-side. I think that's an original song. This label is by far my favorite. Then we have Heart in a Cage, with I'll Try Anything Once as the B-side. That's a demo for You Only Live Once, the first song on the album. And then last but not least, we have You Only Live Once as the final single from Volume 1. This has Mercy Mercy Me as the B-side, played together with The Ecology. This is a cover. So those are all the singles from the box set. If I had to pick one that is my favorite, I would say Juicebox. I enjoy it a lot.